Hi guys, this is Haley from LiftedTrucks.com. This month's featured vehicle is a lifted 2026 Ford F-250 King Ranch 4x4. Our technicians made this one extra badass by installing some top-of-the-line off-road upgrades. This truck features a 4.5-inch McGaughys radius arm lift kit with M84 front and rear shocks, 24-inch JTX Forged gloss black wheels, Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, custom paint to match grille, bumpers, mirrors, window moldings, emblems, and a gloss black tuxedo top. It also features a 500 horsepower turbo diesel V8 engine, King Ranch saddle leather interior and branding, a 12-inch touchscreen, and much more. Now with locations all over the country, we have over 1,000 vehicles for you to choose from, and we ship nationwide. For more information on this vehicle or any others, visit LiftedTrucks.com. That's LiftedTrucks.com.
Go now to LiftedTrucks.com. Work hard, play hard, drive harder.